Let's do another problem in which we can factor a greatest common factor out. Now, greatest common factor means a common factor, the biggest common factor that we can find that these three terms have. So let's start with the constants, with the coefficients. So 2, -10, 6. They actually they're even numbers, so they have 2 in common for sure. And then let's look at the x's. So we have an x cubed here, x squared here, and x there. If that's the case, then they have a common factor that has a lowest exponent. And in this case, this x right here has an exponent of 1, this one has exponent of 2, this one has exponent of 3, so they have x with exponent of 1 in common. So this is just 2 times x. And then now that we've factored out the greatest common factor, meaning we factored out everything we could out of these three, then we need to copy down what's still in these three terms. So if we factor the 2 out of here, there is no 2. If we factored 1x out, then it's still x squared in there. Or you can think of it this way. X that we factored out times what will give you x cubed? Well, x times x squared will give you x cubed. And then, so 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. Next term, out of 10 we factored 2, so this is going to be 5. And then out of x squared we factored x, so there is still 1x that's there. So we can check again. 2 times -5 is -10. X times x is x squared. So we're good. Now we have a plus here. And then if we factored 2 out of 6, we will have 3. And then if we factored x out, then this x is gone. So we can just close parentheses. We can check this one also. 2x times 3 is 6x. Okay, so we factored out the greatest common factor. Now what we need to do is check if what we have inside parentheses here, if that can be factored some more. And in this case, it cannot be factored. What's inside here is actually called prime. Same kind of like prime numbers, a number that's only product of 1 in itself. Well, this is kind of the same situation, but with polynomials. So this polynomial doesn't really factor in real numbers. So we factored out the greatest common factor, which is 2x, and then we checked and nothing else factors, so this is our answer. If you need to learn more about factoring, please check our other videos on factoring, including another one that talks about the greatest common factors. Thank you for watching.